Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today guys. I won the SXC Cosmetics giveaway on Instagram and my package has arrived, so let's unbox it together. Friends, I'm so happy. This is like the first giveaway I've ever won. I never normally enter giveaways because I always think, no one really wins these things or stuff like that, and I just never thought it was gonna be me. But I saw this post on SXC's Instagram page, so I just said, this Polygel kit it looks so pretty to me. I just said, you know what, let me just follow the instructions, and guys, sure enough, I won. Guys, I couldn't believe it. And it came like 4 or 5 days after I won. So I'll have the Instagram in my description box. Definitely follow them because guys, you can see with your own 2 eyes, the giveaways are real and they do weekly giveaways every Monday. So guys, definitely join the fun because as you can see, I won. Guys, I'm so excited. You have no idea. I'm just gonna let you guys look at the stuff that came in the kit. I've already filmed the set and a review of everything in the kit, using it, how it all turned out, and that was the beautiful set of nails you saw at the intro. Yeah, that video's done. It's gonna be going live after this one, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And guys, I've got so much fun stuff coming up. I've got a collab with Rosalind, Be Glam. Guys, just so much fun stuff. So make sure you're subscribed. And by the way guys, have any of you used SXC products before? Because this is my first time and I'll let you find out my honest opinions in my next video. But I want to know what you think about SXC Cosmetics. Let me know in the comment section if you have used it before. So yeah guys, I'm just going to let you enjoy the music, watch the unboxing. I'll see you towards the end guys.
Hey, yo, watch out what you got. Gotta try, this shit come easy when I'm with my slimes. Yeah, pop a bean, keep my system clean. Been drinking water, be like kerosene. Caught you busting a move. I'm just sauce acting stupid. Love just hide on in Cupid. I'm with my dogs, yeah, we grooving. 4 on the floor, that's a drug I'm abusing. Show you the grass is green or whatever it is. Your feet on music, pumping out the speakers. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't stop it. Get this feeling. Stop cheesing with all this speed. Only real ones know what I'm about. Yeah. And you know that we turn it out. Love, sweet in your world. Love, sweet in your world. Know if I'ma make it out alive. Got my friends, got my lady right by my side. Or something, yeah, you know the vibe. Speaker bumping, got me feeling like love, sweet in your world. Love, sweet in your world. To love, to love, to love.
for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready.
So friends, that's the kit. I absolutely love it. I love all the colors that came with it, and I'm so grateful to have won. Thank you so much, SXC. I'm so happy. Guys, I have no complaints when it comes to the kit. 10 out of 10 kit. Absolutely love it. This was a set of nails I did with this kit using everything from the kit. Guys, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss this video because it's coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.